You know, Randy, you don't got what it takes. You're gonna have to grow a pair if you want to make it in here. Mommy ain't here to hold your hand. Now, get lost. I don't want people thinking we're friends.
Hey, I know you. You were some kind of salesman, weren't you?
Yeah. I used to be a salesman for Wondermatic Industries.
Yeah, whatever. You know, you should tell your bosses their products are really dangerous.
Well, that's gonna be a little difficult. I got fired.
How come?
Well, you know I was going through a rough patch. I couldn't even sell a damn stapler. I was gonna lose my house, and I was up to my eyeballs in debt. But then, I managed to make the greatest sale of the century. The kind of sale every salesman dreams of. A sale so good it would impress Death himself.
Sounds good.
Yeah, well, I talked this poor guy into buying almost a whole catalog,
But?
one of my supervisors found out and robbed the sale.
Get out! What did you do then?
I went to his office and killed him.
No shit.
Between you and me, that's not exactly how it happened. You know, people tend to exaggerate. In fact, I barely touched him. His tie got stuck in the shredder. You can't imagine the blood.
Oh, I can, believe me. By the way, that shredder? From the Wondermatic line, I'll bet.
Yes. Well, now that I think of it, you're right. Those products are kind of dangerous.
Do you know these guys called the Sisters?
Sure. They're pretty famous around here, but they're not really as friendly as they say.
Yeah, well, that's sort of a given, isn't it?
Believe me, you don't want them as friends.
Oh, I believe you. It's just that I wanted to go to the library, but those guys are right there standing guard in front of the door. I can't get in.
Then don't.
That's plan B. But the thing is, there doesn't seem to be anything better to do around here, and I'm starting to really feel the need to read a nice book.
I know what you mean, and you know what? I'm gonna help you, rookie. But remember, you're gonna owe me one.
Yeah, sure.
The Sisters use some sort of code between them, a password.
A password?
Yeah, it's a sentence they use. If you say it when you're with them, they'll have to let you through.
And how do you know that?
Let's just say we did some business together for a while.
I don't want to know about it. So what's this password?
Go talk to them and repeat these words. Klaatu, Barada, Niktu.
That sounds familiar.
Repeat them.
Klaatu, Barada, Niktu.
One more time.
I've got it. I know the damn words already. What, do you think I'm a moron? Thanks. I owe you one. Well, take care.
See ya, rookie.
Wow, there's a detergent tablet in one of the pockets. Sorry to bother you again.
What now, fishy?
Okay, I'll say the words.
What are you talking about?
Klaatu, Barata, necktie? Nectarine, nickel. Oh, come on. What was that last word? I know there was an N word. What was that damn last word?
Nikto.
That's it. Klaatu, Barata, Nikto. There, I said it. Now make way, people. The library awaits.
What's your problem? What are you trying to do? Deactivate us? Because you're starting to piss me off here.
I thought that was the password.
The password! I think someone's been pulling your leg, rookie. You'll be the laughing stock in here.
Bastards.
You want revenge?
Yes, I do.
Want to make it clear that no one fucks with the newbie.
Of course.
Would you like to make it to Tuesday alive?
Hell yes, come on, where do I sign?
Come to the laundry and I'll show you the contract. But I warn you, if you bite, I'll break your teeth. And you can call me Gord if you like.
Okay, I see where you're going with this, and I think I'll pass.
Oh, come on now. You can't leave me hanging like this. I got my hopes up. The least you can do is give me a little kiss.
A kiss? I don't want any weird stuff. I'm out of here. A kiss.
See ya. Keep on your toes. You just never know in here.
Good morning. My name is Randal.
Are you the new sous chef?
No, I'm just here.
Then get the hell out of my kitchen, insect!
But I just wanted to...
Don't make me repeat myself, or I will rip your legs off.
Okay, jeez. Looks like Bruno doesn't want me in his kitchen. Hey, Murray.
What's up, prisoner? How you getting along?
Can't complain.
Things in here are very different, son, so if you want my advice, try to keep your mind busy, just worry about yourself, and stay away from trouble. If you need something to keep you occupied, just talk to me. I'm the one who assigns jobs to prisoners.
I'll keep that in mind.
Trust me, kid. It's better to go by unnoticed. You don't want to attract any attention. I don't think the people in here have much sympathy for your kind.
What do you mean by my kind?
Relax, my friend. It's not my job to judge you. But don't think your fellow inmates are going to be as nice to you as I am.
Thanks, Murray.
You're welcome.
So, Murray?
Yes?
What the hell's wrong with the cook?
He is really bad-tempered. But it's not his fault. When he was little, his father made him eat his hamsters as a punishment for not cleaning his room.
Are you serious?
I'm always serious. That's when his wickedness was born. And also his passion for cooking.
Amazing, but you know what? It turns out I'm a cooking enthusiast myself.
Are you implying that you'd like to work in the kitchen?
Well, I wouldn't mind. I'm sure there must be a lot of cool stuff in there I can combine in my inventory or something.
I'm sorry?
Oh, nothing.
Very well. I name you the new temporary sous chef. Tell Bruno you're his new helper and show him how good you are.
Thanks, Murray. I'm gonna give it my all. I'll, leave you to your work. Hello again, my friend. I'm here to...
Get the hell out of my damn kitchen, you cockroach!
Hey, just wait a second, Bruno. I'm here to give you a hand with the cooking.
Who said I need help?
Murray did. Maybe you should go teach him a lesson.
I don't want any more trouble with the guards. They really have it in for me since I attacked one of them and bit his thumb off.
Oh, okay. So how can I help you?
I told you I don't need help. But, I guess you could start making the soup. Take that pot over there.
Roger that. I don't need anything from that pot. bunch of small triangles. Looks like I did it wrong.
Hey, what the fuck's going on? What did you do, rookie?
Nothing. I was just making the soup.
Hey, look who's back. If it ain't our friend Randy. Did you meet Boggs already? Did he show you his Necronomicon? Ha ha ha!
How's that?
Well, we're just waiting for the cook.
The cook?
Bruno, the cook. He's one of this year's favorites.
Why do you call him the cook?
Because he's the cook.
Oh, okay. I thought that was just a nickname or something. So, how's the food here? Is it as bad as they say?
Here's a free tip before you get in any trouble. In here, you are worth nothing unless there's something you can do for people. You know, Sleazy? That guy can get you anything you need. My point is, if you have nothing to offer, then nobody will give a damn about your rookie ass.
I see.
Bruno is the cook here, and if he finds out you've been bad-mouthing his food, you don't get food. So be careful what you say, and who you say it to.
Gotcha.
Smart kid. But now, how about another try?
God, that fucking asshole Matic played me!
Hey, shithead. He's one of us. Show some respect.
One of you? You must be fucking kidding me. What did that chump ever do?
Well, he used a quote from last week's movie to set up some poor idiot rookie.
Huh. So that's how you play, huh?
Hey, look on the bright side, kid. At least you gave us all a big laugh.
You bullshit salesman. This isn't over.
Relax, buddy. It was just a joke.
Oh, you're on my list now.
You know where to find me, rookie.
You better stay away from our new friend, or a night with Boggs in the laundry is gonna feel like a prom date compared to what we'll do to you.
No, and he didn't show me his ash neither.
Oh, yeah? Because a little bird told me you guys already became good pals.
Look, he can barely walk.
Hey, I just got a little Charlie horse. I didn't even touch the guy.
Do you hear that, guys? The rookie's frigid.
What can I say? I'm not into that.
Hey, relax, rookie. We was just kidding. We don't give a damn about Boggs or which side he butters his muffin.